In this video, I'm going to show you how you can embed images directly on your phone using the Canvas app for students. What you're going to want to do is select the course that you need to upload, go into discussions, choose your discussion, and then find your way to the bottom of the assignment and click reply just like you would on your laptop right here. The screen looks slightly different, but you can still type in your message. And then when you want to submit your image, or rather embed your image, scroll across the bottom and there's a little mountain with a sun on the very right hand side. Click on that. It will take you to this screen. You're going to click the little plus at the top. You can use your camera to take a new image. You can upload a file that is directly on your phone or in your iCloud. Use your photo library on your phone or My Files, which are in Canvas. I have a photo uploaded in My Files, so I've selected that. It's going to take a couple seconds to upload. And once it's all done, it will give you a prompt to click Done. It will insert it, and then don't forget to click Done here as well. And then you will see it posted. You should know that I'm using an iPhone SE, so this might look slightly different than your phone. And you should also regularly update the Canvas app for students as they often add new features or fix things that aren't working properly. So always check for updates on that. Okay, good luck.